Okay, so I'm going to show you how to install Linux on your system. So in this instance, I'm going to install Linux Mint XFSC. It's just a light version, and I'm using just VirtualBox, but you're obviously going to use your flash drive. Okay, so you come to this menu, just click Start Linux Mint and let it run. Right, so here, this is a live version of Linux. So obviously, if you restart your computer now, you will have to start all over again. So this is just to check out the environment, check what Linux is about. But there is an icon at the top left that you can double click to permanently install Linux Mint on your system. So just double click that. Right, then you get to a few menus. So with the menus, you can just click, and here it's gonna prepare the area for your disk for your Linux installation. So it's gonna raise your hard drive. So obviously you want to make backups if there's anything on there, but you can just click install now and then continue. Choose your location, fill in your name and choose a password. And then it should start copying the files. So after it's copied the files, you can just say restart now, and it will reboot into your Linux OS. Yeah, so just type in your password and you're done. That's it.